Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually gain more views on your YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to take you a step-by-step process how I generate some views to my videos, and I'm going to show you how I get this done. I'm going to review what the top content creators do which you may not know, and how you can use this to maximize more views to yourself. You don't need to skip any part of this video because every part of this video is very important to watch to the end of this video in order for you to get everything I'm doing step by step. Without further ado, let's dive into my system and I will show you everything step by step. Here in my system, and this is YouTube, I'm going to show you how we can actually generate views on YouTube. Before we can actually start this, you need to know that most of our content creators pass through this process in order for them to actually generate more views to themselves. So I'm going to show you everything step by step here. But before we need to know is that in order for us to create content, we need to understand the kind of content we want to create, and we also need a good title for the video in order to keep the video ranking. In order for us to generate more views, we need to find a good title to our video, and that is why we are in YouTube right now. And I'm going to use these tools called TubeBuddy. If you never know about TubeBuddy is a tool that is going to allow you to generate more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description of the video. You can check out the TubeBuddy if you want to actually grow your channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's start in with the first step of searching for keyword. So let's go ahead and search for keyword. So before we can actually do this, we make sure that TubeBuddy is well installed to our YouTube channel in order for us to get this result. So I will head over to my YouTube and click on my TubeBuddy, and it's going to load this place for me, and I'm going to go to Keyword Explorer. So when I go to Keyword Explorer, I need to explain one thing for you. In order for me to have a good video idea, I need to have a topic that I really want to make this video on. For me, I want to make a video about make money online. So I will just head over and type make money online. And I will search on it. So what these tools do to me is going to give me total volume of searches in the past few months, and we have 1.3 billion searches, and we also have multiple reach, and this is from the Google trend, and we are also having a good result of our Q video ranking, but our ranking is poor. In order for us to make video on this topic, we need to make sure that our video rank for search engine. So make money online, we need to make a keyword that will actually give us 60 or 80% of ranking. So what I do here, I will do like I make money online using this step. So we have 20. That is not good. I will now show. Okay, one secret I use to make money online. Let's just see the result. Is still poor, and I'll use online today. That's still poor. I will remove the secret. I use this method. To make money online. That is still poor. I will use method to make money online today. Okay, method to make money online now or never. it's still giving me 40. Okay, method to make money online. Method to make money today. Online, now or never. That's still poor. Okay, make money, method to make money. Okay, I will now method to make money online now. I have 70%. Yes, this is actually good, because what we are the issue we have here is that our search volume is fair. We don't really need search volume to be fair. This is good ranking, but the search volume is fair. We have 1.1 billion people searching on this same topic every day, and we have video good and average video. We don't even have a good ranking in our video, so we need to tweak something in this keyword in order for us to show that video search is about something good, not fair. We need good or very good. So let's tweak something again. This is actually good, but it's not good for the video long term. It's not going to save the video for a long term purpose. So I'm making this video. I know this video might be long. Please follow this video step by step. It's very important. So we need to clean this. I need to make money online today or never. I will now take method to use make money online today, make money online now or never. And this gives me 70%, and I still have fair. I don't need fair. I need good on this video search volume. So I will now make money online today. Make money online now. Okay, make money online today or never. Yes, this is good. I like this. Actually, I like this. So we have 100 over 100, and we have search volume excellent, and we have weight competition like weight. We have good, and we have optimized trends very good. So this is actually good. Lowest of the top ranking 2. Your last, we will gain at least 28 views every day. So this is awesome. So I will now copy this. When I copy this, I will now head over to my keyword video planner, and I will now add this as a topic. Now add this, make money online today or never. Actually, this is a keyword. So make money online today or never is the best keyword for us to use and make our video. We already have our keyword, so we now want to look at our competitors. What did they do? Because we need this click rate. So how many people are we looking for? Like, we need click rate on this video, so we need to look at our competitors and see what they are doing. So I'm going to copy this. And head over to my YouTube channel, and now paste it here and search it. Make money online today or never. So we have seen there are a couple of videos here that are just coming up viewed, and this is 1 year. Watch this if you have make money. So we have a couple of videos here. Make money online now or never. Someone has already used that video topic that I first searched before. So actually, you can see this person made this video 1 year ago, and he's having about 4,000 views. So we are looking for someone that is going to make us rank. So I don't want to compete with this kind of channel. but I know that is a great title, so I need a video that is having at least millions and above. So I will now head over to my TubeBuddy, go to my video planner. Please, you have to follow every steps I'm following you step by step so you understand everything I'm doing. So I will now paste it back and I will exploit it. So once it shows, I will now come to result and I'm going to see people ranking. So this person is still ranking. He has low views, but it's still ranking as number 2. Still ranking on number 2 at the search bar. So actually, this video is actually doing well, and I believe a lot of people have been clicking through this video. So what is he doing? He says Nigeria, this is the thumbnail, so I need a thumbnail that is going to bring more views to my video. So I believe the difference between why this video is having less view and this one is having 6,000 views is because of the thumbnail. So this thumbnail here is more interesting, far more interesting than this, and this here is far more interesting than this. So I'm going to look for a way to make something far more better than this. So I see this one having 14,000 views, and I can just go through everybody. So right now I'm just going to make a new thumbnail that is going to fit in with this niche in order for me to actually make videos on it. So I will head over to my Canva. When I head over to my Canva, I will look for, okay, I can use this template because I make my template sometimes and keep. I will just duplicate this. So when I duplicate this, I can still use this same format, but actually change these pictures and also change the color. So I can change this color to white, or I change any other thing to this. Just look for random colors. Let me say green, and I will change this one to another kind of color. At least just play around with it because I already use this thumbnail on some of my videos. So it's always the kind of thumbnail that is going to make your video rank far more better. So let me just use combination of this before 9 days. Then I will now insert a new photo. So I can bring this one photo in particular and put it here. Yes. Can bring the video here, the picture here, right here. Then I'll fix it here. That is good. That is good. So as you can see, the thumbnail is already looking good. So I use Canvas to do my thumbnail. So this is actually good. I always recommend you can make template like this and keep on your Canvas so you can easily work on your thumbnail and everything you want to actually make videos on. So like this, I'm really making video on make money online, and actually I have already make something like this. So this is awesome. So I'll head over and download this. Come here, download it and move over. This is the only one I want to select, so I will now come here, deselect. I will now select it here, then download it. Boom, it's there in my download. So I've have my thumbnail. So you can see I've never actually make video about this topic yet, but I've already get my thumbnail and also get my view. I already get my thumbnail and also get my video topic. So the next thing for me to do is actually find out my video idea. So what I do here is to head over to my ChatGPT and click on ChatGPT, and I will write here, a video script on the topic make money online. Okay, I will eventually on the topic paste the one that was on my YouTube. Okay, I did not copy it. I will head over to my YouTube and copy it. So when I done that, I will now say give me a hook. The reason why I'm saying a hook is that if you start your video with hook, you are actually going to have more viewers. Before people actually watch that video and get bored, you have already have a little watch hour from them. So I will say a hook context, then call to action. That is my video structure, so I will now shoot it. Then value, then I will now input it, and it's going to actually write a script for me. So with this I can actually generate a good video idea from what I'm going to make. So if you should go down, you will see that it's actually writing a video script for us, and we are doing this. We're not going to do and we are not going to do a lot of work here. Perceive. So if you enjoy this video, comment below and say I'm enjoying this video. So actually what happened here is that see what is going to say. Explain why now is the time. So these are actually what is giving me. Highlight the benefit of starting today. So repeat the urgency. It's giving me step by step and key points in order for me to make video on it. If I'm a kind of person who are making videos to stand up and talking about something, I was supposed to start making videos like this, but actually I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to make a simple video. You just make a simple video out of this. So that is how you can actually have your video idea. So the next thing we are going to do is, I will write give me a YouTube video description for ranking. Give me a YouTube video, give me a video description for YouTube ranking. Actually, it's going to write something else for me. This is actually a YouTube video. So make money online today or never. Actually, he has given me everything I have to do as my YouTube. It has given me everything I have to use for my YouTube video. So I actually copy this, head over to my YouTube, head over to my video planner, and in the video planner, head over to the topic, make money online today or never. Now I have all my resources. I will now paste it here and save it. Now with the video script you are given, you have to make content based on the video script you are given. If you actually want to follow the ChatGPT, or if you have any other external information you need to apply in it, you can use it and then convert everything to your viewers to understand. Then after that, you can check out the next video. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to continue this tutorial after you have made your video. You are going to use to know how you can actually upload your video to YouTube and get more views. So I leave the link in the description of the video so you don't stress yourself looking for it. For that being said, if you actually enjoyed this video, leave a comment in the comment section, like and comment on this video. For that being said, I will see you in my